Hey guys, Danny here. Today we are looking at a drone that was sent to me for review. As always, if you'd like to pick it up, you can find a link down in the description. I did actually request the GPS version of this drone, but I was sent the optical flow positioning version, which, as most of you will probably know, works with a downward facing camera to help hold the drone's positioning. It does also have altitude hold, and it says it has a 4K camera, but it won't be because it doesn't have a micro SD card slot. You are able to record the video that is fed to your phone via Wi-Fi, so it's definitely not going to be 4K quality. This reminds me of an older Hubsan drone that I reviewed before. I will put a link to that in the top of the video. And when I say it reminds me of that, it's the body shape and the design that this is using. So you may have never heard of this drone before. It was just a random drone that I wanted to review. Sometimes I like to just try some random products and see if they are good or bad. Little bit of a spoiler, this one isn't great, so this will be a pretty short review video, but you can still stick around to see what experiences I had with it. On the website, the battery size is stated to be 2000 milliamp hours. I'm not entirely sure if this is right, and I can't double check because the battery is covered up by the plastic on the outside, and to get to it I would have to kind of cut it open and stuff, which I don't really want to do. The design of the controller is something we've seen many times before. I don't mind this design. It has a decent phone holding system where the bottom of the controller pulls out. The controller is also well labeled, so you have a very easy idea of what button does what, which is always nice. And the controls do feel pretty nice and responsive, and were nice during the use of the actual flying, so no real complaints with the controller. There are definitely some controllers that I feel have a slightly better phone holder design, but this one will do the job just fine. Sometimes your phone might pop out if you don't put it in quite right, so that can be a little bit annoying. And of course, onto the flight test. You will notice straight away that I don't have the Wi-Fi feed coming from the drone, but I do have some saved clips. The Wi-Fi feed got corrupted and I had some issues there, so sorry about that. One thing you'll notice straight away with this drone on this flight test is that it holds really nice and stable using the optical flow positioning that it comes equipped with. The controls also felt really nice and responsive. I didn't feel any delays or any feedback issues, so that was really nice. And also with the 3 different speed settings that I was able to select, on the highest one I was able to fly pretty comfortably in the wind. This was a pretty windy day, so it was nice to be able to have decent control over this, and that coupled with its responsiveness meant that I didn't crash a single time, so I felt like I was in pretty good control of this drone. Unfortunately, there is one major weak point for this product, and that is its camera and the Wi-Fi feed. The camera quality is okay, but as I said earlier, since you're not saving to a micro SD card, you're recording the footage that is being streamed to your phone, it's always going to be a lower quality. And on top of that, the Wi-Fi feed is very unstable. It was laggy, it was chopping in and out. It just really wasn't a good experience at all. And with how far these cheap Wi-Fi drones have come, this is not something I would expect in today's market, so I was pretty disappointed with that. As this is such a key feature for a Wi-Fi drone, I can't really recommend this product to you. That's why this review is a little bit shorter than some of my others, but hopefully it gives you an idea if you was thinking of potentially picking up this product. So that does bring us to the end of the review. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.